someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, April the 11th. I'm James Spann. We'll promise a very nice weekend ahead. The attention is focused on a pretty big storm system coming here early next week on Monday and Tuesday. This is the water vapor satellite view this morning. A nice dry air mass in place. Little impulse will stay north of us today. Maybe some rain over Kentucky, but no problems here. As cool as 41 this morning up in Fort Payne. Birmingham at 55 will wind up in the mid to upper 70s today. Very nice. Very quiet day around the nation. However, we note a severe weather risk tomorrow for a small part of the high plains. And then a larger risk on day 3, which is Sunday. The standard slight risk over much of eastern Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, up into southern Missouri, and over into eastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas. There are higher probabilities within that, an enhanced risk around Tulsa, Little Rock, Paris, Texas, Texarkana, Arkansas. And then beyond that, there is no risk beyond that for Monday and Tuesday of next week, which is a good thing for us, but again, we'll take a look at the details as we go. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars, a little wave north of us. And again, that might squeeze out some light rain from Little Rock up to Lexington and Louisville, Kentucky. But that should not affect us. The day should be partly to mostly sunny with a high in the middle 70s today, much like yesterday. Tomorrow, very nice. The GFS printing a high at 80 with a good supply of sunshine. And Sunday, that same model is printing 83. Hey. Nice, warm, dry day. But you can see why there's some severe weather concern west of the state. A sub-1,000 millibar low is over southwest Oklahoma. In advance of the dry line, showers and strong to severe storms developing over parts of Oklahoma and Texas. Let's go to Monday, and you can see the broad trough is positive tilt. And down below that, we just go wet, with some pretty cold air coming down the plain states behind that. That's a 1,030 millibar high, but there is no intense focused surface low involved, which means that, yes, we certainly could see some thunder, but severe weather not especially looking likely here, as the main surface low is north of Buffalo, New York. Monday night, the cold front approaching, we stay wet, and then this is Tuesday at midday. The deeper rains are out of here. That the day on Tuesday, if this is right, would be cloudy, breezy, and much colder. With a high only in the low and mid-60s. That'll be kind of a raw day, a windy day, a tight pressure gradient. We'll check the European. This is Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. And again, it is a little slower. It's still got some really soaking rain in here Tuesday morning. And it does have a surface low that is right on top of Alabama near Clanton, 1,004 millibars. But with that secondary low kind of coming right through the middle of the state, that would mean more of a big rain event instead of a, severe weather type of event. And quickly, the QPF chart, this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1 to 2 inches here, so hopefully not enough for flooding, but clearly, anytime we see a system like this in mid-April, you have to monitor it for both severe weather and flood potential. It will certainly do that. Here's Wednesday, the rain long gone. Hey, some colder air dropping in here. Wednesday morning is going to be chilly. In fact, look at the anomalies. Those shades of blue in here, those are temperatures more than 15 degrees below average. And again, I think it's going to be like yesterday, where the colder pockets easily go in the 30s, and there could be a touch of frost around. So again, for you growers in those traditionally colder places, be aware Wednesday morning of next week is going to be cold. We'll warm up into the upper 60s to near 70 during the day. And this is Thursday. Cool morning, lows in the 40s. The high should be in the low 70s. And a week from today, we're dry. New storm system forms out across the western plains with maybe some active thunderstorm potential for places like Oklahoma, Kansas, and North Texas, if this is right. And then that next weekend, this is Saturday the 19th, the following day, the showers and storms move in here. But again, that is not necessarily a big severe weather look. We'll check the end of the forecast, April 26th. Big upper low over the southwest and ridging here. And if that's right, it would be quite warm with highs up into the 80s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News, the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.